So the wind is shifted left, the pin is favored. The strategy is to try and win the pin, tack, take the lifted tack up to the boat. It's the practice session I've set for today. That's today's tutorial. Okay, so you're going to call time on every minute. So when it says 3 minutes, you're going to say 3 minutes. It'll say 2 minutes gone, 3 minutes to go, right?
Yeah.
So let's see every minute.
3:15, 3:13.
So just call out 3 minutes until start. And it'll be 2 minutes until proof.
25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was all clear, but we're going to put up general recall. General recall, please. General recall, blue and yellow. General recall.
Just because you still already know, right?
Yeah.
Practice starts.
They're going to want to sail for a minute, see how that feels.
What is the general recall that we have up there now? What is that? What flag is that? Yellow.
The blue and yellow triangle one.
What is that called?
Was that a
General recall.
Because we were over or we're just restarting?
I got too anxious. Sail for a bit and see if Grant gets the tack and cross, and then come back.
Put this on my sandwich channel.
We'll be famous.
I doubt that.
How many? Do we have followers?
I don't have enough young girls on my channel to get that many viewers.
It's a complicated world of YouTube.
No, it's not really complicated.
It's morally.
It's really not that complicated.
It's morally ambiguous, is
Yeah.
what I meant to say.
Yeah.
If you have daughters. Do you have a boyfriend?
No,
Going on up to her, or you just don't have one?
don't have one.
Would you tell him if you did?
What?
Would you tell him if
Yeah.
you did? He'd be cool with it?
I
So?
have guy friends.
Guy friends? You haven't met the guy yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
He hasn't come to sail yet.
Would your dad be intimidating if he did, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's the hardest part, is to make it through that part of your life?
It's going to be tough for you guys to go for sales. You guys drive this thing.
Yeah.
You drive that 1-ton truck.
It's usually for a guy who knows what he's doing.
She
He
built
can fix
her
an
own-
engine.
She built her own AR-15.
Oh,
You built it, not me.
Well, you were there. Designed it.
Fix the color.
how's our time?
2:30.
Security. Princess Winona is departing her cruise. Winona Park, downtown Bay City, will be outbound for the bay.
Captain Santa.
There we go. They're gonna oh, pretty sailboats.
They give you a bonus. They give a fleet, you know.
Little tourism down, sit down for bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Bay City slush fund.
First, Winona Park, downtown Bay City, outbound for the bay. Princess Winona.
2 minutes.
We're dragging a spinnaker sheet.
Probably better when I have.
Oh, they're all too low.
30 seconds.
Grant's
20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good start.
Nice tonight.
Wow.
See, it kind of feels like it's dying a little bit.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, like all of a sudden dead here.
And hold that flag up again. I think the wind is shifted.
Not really.
But they really like this jibe, so the mark is probably 10 degrees right of where it should be.
Watch it, Caleb's really coming up on the man.
Boy, I'll say. Come on, Terry, you can beat her. No, Kaylin, you can beat him. Pretty safe.
Broadcast regarding a floating white cake in the Saginaw River. Ships listed channel 22 alpha frequency 157.1 megahertz now.
Yep, Mark.
Great.
Mark. To me, they look faster, but you're that.
That was a good shot. So this photography stuff is way cool.
15. 10.
It's over.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
X flag, blue boat, Captain and Tennille, your OCS. Captain and Tennille, OCS, now number 15246.
Do they have radio on board?
I doubt it.
I was going to see if they were over more, I thought more than, was it,
Do you think there's another boat over like that?
I think, yeah, Terry might have been over too.
Okay. Yeah, I was mesmerized by the blue boat.
They don't have an easy way to read the blue.
We should have had the camera going, see if we missed
Well, the camera was going, but
Okay, we can't play
We
that.
didn't have the
Pointed
video.
at
We
the
can do
right
the
spot.
iPhone.
So if you, they have to just come back and cross it, right? If they're over, come back and cross it?
Yes. So they just have to get below the line and restart. If you do this I flag thing, they've got to go all the way around the end and restart.